Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at a wonderful little end terrace cottage. We're at number 1 Church Lane in Sturry. This is a wonderful end terrace cottage with 2 bedrooms, and the property is presented absolutely immaculately. We come straight through into the lounge area here, and you can see we've got the window there at the front, the window at the side. We've got that really handy little storage cupboard there. But it's a really inviting room to come straight into. So I'll have a really good look at this space and then go through to the next reception area in the form of the dining room. Just having another little look through here into the lounge space, really nice and light and bright in area. Such a good location as well, with shops just around the corner and of course the train station. Coming through now into the dining room here, you can see we've got a really nice space. It's open through to the kitchen, and of course we've got the staircase there leading upstairs, but we've got that lovely window there just overlooking the rear garden, so I've got a nice amount of light coming through here and also coming through from the lounge area. So I'll spend a few moments taking a look at this space here. We're going to go through and take a little look at the kitchen area. As we can see now, the kitchen here, fantastic modern fitted kitchen. We've got the gas hob there with the oven underneath, and of course the extractor fan and the sink unit there. So coming through and taking another look at the dining space there, really nice open reception area there. And we're going to go upstairs and take a look at the 2 bedrooms and the family bathroom that we've got on offer with this property. So come down the landing and you can see here we've got a nice modern bathroom here, everything that you'd need. We've of course got the panelled bath with the shower unit over the top. Coming back down the landing, we'll take a look inside bedroom number 2, which is a really nice size. And of course we've got the window there just overlooking the rear garden again, but a really nice size room this. You could fit a double bed in here if you wanted to, and still have a bit of space for wardrobe and chest of drawers. Coming through to the master bedroom now, you'll see we've got a fantastic size master bedroom here. Really nice open space with that lovely window there at the front, just letting all of that natural light come through. Plenty of space in here for wardrobes, chest of drawers as well. So we'll take a few moments to look at this space here. We'll go back downstairs and then finish up by taking a look in the rear garden. So here we are in the rear garden, really nice private space this, and as you can see we've got a really decent amount of space. We've of course got the access point there from the kitchen, and you can see it's a really nice private area as well. So this has been number 1 Church Lane in Sturry. Fantastic location, end of terrace cottage with 2 bedrooms, finished to a nice modern standard, and of course we've got a really immaculate finish here. So please do give us a call at Kent Estate Agencies to find out a little bit more, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, book your free valuation today.